Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can connect your Solana wallet address to your PAWS mining app from the Phantom wallet. So guys, now the first step you have to take is to tap on the N section. So let me tap on N. So guys, now this is the task section. As you can see, it's under the limited section. You can see right there the arrow is pointing at it. Limited means it is under a time duration. So if you don't do these tasks within the time duration that is given, you won't be getting the reward. As you can see there, the reward is 10,000 PAWS token. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now to get this connected to your Solana wallet, what you have to do now is to tap on start. So let me tap on start. So guys, now you can see the next step. They said connect Solana wallet. Choose an app to authorize your wallet. So guys, we're going to be using the Phantom wallet. You can see it right there. So let me tap on Phantom. So guys, can see the next step. They said Phantom Connect. So guys, if you already have the Phantom wallet installed in your app, what you have to do now is to tap on the first option, which is written Connect Phantom Wallet. But if you don't have the Phantom wallet installed in your phone, what you have to do now is to tap on the second option, which is Install Phantom Wallet. So guys, let me tap on Install Phantom Wallet right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, download for mobile. So guys, now what you have to do now is either to tap on your Play Store or you tap on your App Store. If you're using an iPhone, go for the iOS one, which is the App Store. But if you're using an Android device, you go for Play Store. So let me tap on Play Store since I'm using an Android device in this video tutorial. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see my Play Store is opening. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on install. So let me tap on install. We have to install the Phantom wallet so that we can be able to connect our Solana wallet to our PAWS mining app. So guys, now you can see the Phantom wallet is now downloading. As you can see there, it is at 51%. So let's just wait till it gets to 100%. Then after that, it's going to start installing automatically. So guys, now you can see it has gotten to 100%. So it's going to start installing now. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see installing. So guys, now you can see the Phantom wallet is done installing. So let me tap on enable. Then let me tap on open to open the Phantom wallet app. So guys, now you can see the Phantom wallet is opening. So guys, now you can see welcome to Phantom wallet. To get started, create a new wallet or import an existing one. So if you've already created a Phantom wallet before and you have the seed phrase, what you have to do is to tap on I already have a wallet. But if you don't have a Phantom wallet before now, what you have to do now is to tap on I agree to terms and conditions. Then you tap on create a new wallet. So let me tap on create a new wallet. So guys, you can see here's the next step. What you have to do now is to decide if you want to back up your wallet using an email or using a seed phrase. So let me tap on create a seed phrase wallet. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see they say protect your wallet. Adding biometric security will ensure that you are the only one that can access your wallet. So guys, let me tap on next. I don't want to add my biometrics. So guys, now you can see here's my seed phrase. So what I have to do now is to copy this and write it down and keep it somewhere safe where only me can access it. Make sure you keep this seed phrase safe. Anyone who has access to your seed phrase can get access to your wallet and the funds inside your wallet. So guys, make sure you keep it safe. So guys, let me copy this somewhere now. So guys, I've written it down. So let me tap on OK. I have saved it somewhere. Let me tap on it. So guys, can see what's written here, written the secret recovery phrase down. Without the secret recovery phrase, you will not be able to access your key or any asset associated with it. So let me tap on yes. Wow guys, can see you're all done. You can now fully enjoy your wallet. So let me tap on get started. Wow guys, can now see I've been able now to create my Phantom wallet. You can see the balance of my Phantom wallet. So guys, now the next step we have to take now is to go over to our PAWS mining app so we can continue with the connection of the Solana wallet. So let me go back now. So guys, now you can see I'm back to my PAWS mining app. So let me go over to the end section. Let me tap on start again where it is written connect Solana wallet. Let me tap on start. Then let me tap on Phantom. So guys, what you have to do right here now is to tap on the first option, which is connect Phantom wallet. Since you've already installed the Phantom wallet, I just installed it right now. So let me tap on connect Phantom wallet. So guys, now you can see what's written here, continue in Phantom wallet. So let me tap on Phantom to open my Phantom wallet. Let me tap on Phantom, then let me tap on always. So guys, now you can see my Phantom wallet is opening. So guys, now you can see the next step. Connecting will allow these sites to view balances and activity for the selected account. So guys, let me tap on connect right away. So guys, now you can see I've been directed back to Telegram to my PAWS mining app. You can see it right there. So guys, now what I will do now is to go ahead now to claim. You can see now the claim button is now clickable. So what I will do now is to tap on claim to claim it. So let me tap on it right there. I have to claim my 10,000 PAWS reward for connecting my Solana wallet to my PAWS mining app. So let me tap on claim. So guys, now you can see I've claimed it. It has been marked good. The 10,000 PAWS point has been added to my account, to my balance. So guys, now this I can be able to connect your Solana wallet to your PAWS mining app on the Phantom wallet. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.